Paste the image as a new layer. Select Text tool and write your text. Scale the text to make it bigger. Select the text layer and then right-click and choose Convert into a smart object. Click on Edit menu, choose Transform, and then select the warp. Warp the text according to object. Press Enter when you are done. Select the image layer and press Ctrl+J on the keyboard to make a copy of this layer. Move the copied layer above the text layer. Right-click and create a clipping mask. Hide the layer. Create a new mask layer. Select the brush tool and make sure foreground color is white, and start the brushing. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also check out my other videos in the channel. Thank you for your support.